In today's video, we're gonna compare Blaze AI and Canva AI software. First, Canva is mainly focused on visual design, and it's great for creating social media posts, presentations, videos, and graphics using templates and AI tools. It's also beginner friendly and very visual. On the other hand, Blaze AI is more of an all in one content automation tool. It focuses on generating content like blogs, ads, and marketing copy, along with some design features. And Blaze AI is built more for marketing workflows and content scaling. The key difference between the two is that Canva is design first, more on graphics, visuals, and layouts, and Blaze AI is more on content first, which includes copywriting, automation, and campaigns. Now, when should you use Canva? If you want to create eye catching designs, social media posts, or presentations quickly, then pick Canva. But if you want to generate marketing content, write copy, or automate content creation across platforms, then choose Blaze AI. The best strategy, and many creators usually use both, when they use Blaze AI for generating ideas and copy, then Canva to turn them into polished visuals. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!